Tanafalava from Amsterdam. We've just finished a bicycle ride around the city exploring. Jossie and I, we highly recommend Max bikes. They're here really close to where the museums are. But for 3 hours it's about €11, which is roughly around 18 Australian dollars, which includes your insurance. So it's really easy. You can see the bikes that Jossie and I took. They've also got the double bikes, but it's a really easy way to get around the city. If there's one thing about Amsterdam is that you can actually, they have separate lanes that people and cars give way to the bikes, so it's almost like the bikes rule it. So it's quite safe. At first I was a bit nervous, but that's probably because Jossie and I haven't been on a bike for about 20 years, so a bit shaky, but it was all good. Definitely recommend riding a bike around Amsterdam. Bye! These are the practice. We're about to take our bikes.